For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A new study on COVID-19 has shown that environmental factors can affect the stability of novel coronavirus. Researchers have found that SARS-CoV-2 is less stable at higher humidity and warmer temperatures. The study is published in the journal Emerging Infectious Diseases. The researchers mixed SARS-CoV-2 with human nasal mucus and sputum specimens. They then exposed it to 3 different sets of temperatures and humidity for up to 7 days. The RNA of the virus was detectable throughout the 7-day study. However, the infectious virus was detectable for up to nearly 12 to 14 hours, depending on the environmental conditions. This shows that the environmental conditions can influence the stability of the virus. The scientists noted that the virus was more stable at low temperatures and low humidity conditions. On the other hand, warmer temperatures and high levels of humidity shortened its life. The reduced surface stability of the virus in warmer conditions can prove a game changer. The researchers believe there may be a decrease in virus transmission in these environmental situations. Climatic influence on SARS-CoV-2 transmission rates can prove costly. Researchers believe that this might drive seasonal outbreak dynamics in the post-pandemic period. Research shows that the weather can favor or curtail the spread of the virus till a certain extent. Dr. Jeremiah Mattison of Marshall University in the USA played an important role in the research. He observed that infectious diseases continue to be a major threat.
The COVID-19 pandemic has been a sobering reminder that infectious diseases continue to be a major public health threat and require sustained research commitment.
This research provides scope for further studies on the topic. The impact of environmental factors on the virus can make it stronger in certain conditions. The study can assist policymakers to take the required protective measures. The probability of a seasonal outbreak can be addressed beforehand.